there, this is Kelly from CompTIA, and we're on the road to ChannelCon. Right now, we're on our way to Alpharetta, Georgia to talk to IT pros about the power of certification in their career and about how studying is better with friends.
Things are constantly changing. You have to make sure that you're up to date on your knowledge. For certifications, it helps with that.
So we have a really awesome way to encourage certifications. Not only does our company provide incentives to take the tests, but we pay for the tests. We also pay for the time to study on the tests, and we give a bonus to the employees if they pass the test. We've also developed a study group environment where we have small groups of 4 to 5 people in each of our office locations that meet once a week, and they talk together about what they're doing in their certification.
I run the Alpharetta branch study group for our certifications. We developed a recommended reading list. We do a couple chapters as well as the ITProTV videos. We'd go through the testing questions and a module or 2 each week.
And then by fostering that group environment, we encourage them to take the test rather than just, hey, I'm going to take a test eventually. Now they actually have a deadline because there's other people around them reminding them that, oh, we're all doing it together.
I work for a wonderful company, and Right Networks does an amazing job setting a really fun environment for its employees.
No time to rest. We're back in the van on the road to ChannelCon. Now stay tuned by following all of our daily uploads on YouTube. Follow hashtag ChannelCon on all your favorite social sites, and make sure that you click the links in this description box so you can find out if we're coming to a city near you and enter to win some awesome prizes. Until next time, thanks guys.